Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a super duper tune-up report for Charlie in New York on the Superstar SS-626. Man, I love these little radios. I fell in love with them for an AM audio monster. Very vivid LEDs. The talkback on is decent. 40 up and 40 down. I really like it. I do. So let's just start with the RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. And we set these up at 1 watt all the way down, and let's roll it all the way up. There's 10 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low. So we got 25 bird right there. So this thing is rocking and rolling. And go over here to the 50 watt slug. Oh, sorry. PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, audio. Right on 50 watts. Man, you couldn't ask for much more. And this thing has got some amazing audio. And like I said, the talkback ain't too bad at all either, especially if you got one of these awesome Driver Extreme speakers. All right, Charlie, we're going to get this up to you around New York from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.